My name is Jacob Ward. I'm a chemistry major, wanting to emphasize in environmental chemistry. And the long-term goal with that is to go into grad school where I'll research how to take apart environmental pollutants and toxicants using biological methods. And the main reason why I was inspired to do that was I felt like it was the best way to integrate my heritage and indigenous wisdom with Western science. I was working in a lab job in industry at a mushroom farm, and it just really inspired me to take the leap and come back to school. But it came about in a way where I was basically didn't have anywhere to live. It was the end of the summer, and I had just spent kind of the last of my savings to kind of get my supplies ready for the semester. I was looking for rooms and different apartments and things, but nothing was really coming together, and so I needed just a little bit of a runway to be able to find a place to stay. I first learned about the Student Emergency Fund through my mentor, Dr. Frank Keller. I had expressed to her that I would probably have to put our project on hold. And she encouraged me to talk to David Martinez. David was able to get me two invaluable pieces of support. One was he was able to get me a hotel voucher and put me in a safe place to stay, and that covered me for the first 2 weeks of the semester. And then in that time was when the district was processing the actual emergency fund monies. And so what that was really allowed me to do was like put a lot of energy into just finding a place, and then I used the emergency fund to be able to pay my security deposit. And so it was like as soon as the hotel voucher ran out, I was able to just move into my new place. And while moving into a new place at second week of the semester is never fun, I was just so thankful to be able to continue my classes during that time. For me, it's just, I feel an immense gratitude for the opportunity to stay in school and to have that kind of support. I can safely say I probably wouldn't be here at this moment if that wasn't for that. So I'll be forever thankful for them.
There is no better time than right now to make your gift to the Student Emergency Fund. So I encourage you to go to the website for the Los Rios Colleges Foundation and make your gift today.